Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hairpire. To my old and returning subscribers, you are welcome. And if this is your first time coming to my channel or watching my video, you are welcome also, like bienvenue. So I'd like you to just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, yes, to become a full member of this family. Okay, you've done that, correct. So go ahead again and hit the notification bell to turn on the notification for this channel so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be instantly notified. Oui, oui. Abonnez-vous sur cette chaîne et cliquez sur le bouton de notification pour être notifié chaque fois que je poste une nouvelle vidéo. So guys, I want to repair this 360 closure. This client of mine said she was actually trying to pluck like the front line, and this is what happened. She caused badness on the closure. So here I'm actually trying to repair it or repairing it, and I'm going to be showing you how to repair it. One, secondly, I'm going to teach you how to ventilate. Wait. So guys, I like you to watch this video right to the end, because the end is always the best. Yes. So here is the extension I'm going to be using to ventilate. You saw me stretching or feathering the front part so that I can easily grab it with my needle, right? So always make sure you stretch the front part like that. There are many ways to hold the hair. I'm going to be uploading a video teaching you different ways to ventilate, because many people have different ways that might work with them. This is what works for me, so this might work for you as well, which is good. If it doesn't, I will show you other ways that might work for you. So this is it. Go ahead, I stretch the hair in front, that's feather it a little bit like you are seeing, so that I can easily grab it with my ventilating pin. So guys, I'd like you to watch this video right to the end. So you pass the crochet needle under the lace like this. Take the hair you want to ventilate, pass it back under, grab the hair, turn it around, then there should be pressure here. You hold this with pressure, then you loose it a little bit here. See, when I loose just slightly, you see the loops opens just slightly, and the loops opens. But I'm holding here with tension, not so tension so that the hair doesn't break. So hold here, loose here, and then when the loops open, you come out and form a knot. That's it. So pass it under, grab the hair, come out from under, grab this, turn around just once, loose the tension here so that you can pass, and then you slide over and form the knot. So that's just how I'm going to be ventilating it.